Hugging Face is one of the most popular machine learning platform out there. Few of the models you might have seen on Hugging Face are called as gated models. In this video, I'm going to describe in simple words what is meant by gated models. Gated models refer to the term that they use or include gating mechanisms. These mechanisms are used to control the flow of information through the network, which can help in managing long range dependencies and in remembering or forgetting information selectively. This is very useful in sequential data processing like language. There are three types of gating mechanism which are quite popular. One is called as long short-term memory networks or LSTM networks. These are a type of recurrent neural networks or RNNs that use gates to regulate the flow of information. They include input, output, and forget gates to control the extent to which a signal is allowed to flow into and out of cell state and to regulate the extent to which a value in the cell state is allowed to decay. Then we have GRU networks or gated recurrent unit networks. GRUs are similar to LSTM but are simpler in structure. They combine the forget and input gates into a single update gate and also merge the cell state and hidden state. Then we have transformer models with gating mechanisms. Some transformer models might incorporate gating mechanism in their architecture to enhance their ability to handle sequential data or to improve their generalized capabilities. So primarily, gated simply means that the use of these gating mechanisms to effectively control the flow of information. So that's it. I hope that this made sense. If you still have any questions or confusion, let me know and I'll be happy to expound on it further. Thanks for watching, and if you like the content, please consider subscribing to the channel. Thanks.